Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe DNG Converter. This free utility from Adobe allows you to convert proprietary RAW camera files into the universal digital negative format. DNG files offer enhanced long-term archiving, ensuring your images remain accessible even as camera technology evolves. They can also result in slightly smaller file sizes, typically reducing them by 15 to 20% compared to original RAW files, without any loss in image quality. It's a great tool for photographers. To begin, you'll need to download the Adobe DNG Converter. Head over to the official Adobe website and locate the Downloads section for this free utility. Once downloaded, the installation process is quite simple. Just run the installer and follow the prompts, whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac. It usually takes only a few minutes to complete, and then you'll be ready to start converting your RAW files. Now for the conversion itself. Launch the Adobe DNG Converter and first, select the folder where your RAW images are stored. Next, choose a destination folder for your new DNG files. You can also adjust settings like DNG compatibility, which ensures your files work with older software versions, or choose a compression method. Once your settings are in place, simply click Convert. The utility will then process your images, even hundreds at a time, quickly and efficiently. Once converted, DNG files offer significant advantages. They are an open-source format, ensuring your images are readable by various software for decades to come, unlike some proprietary RAW formats. You might also notice a small reduction in file size, often around 15 to 20%, which can save valuable storage space. For best practices, consider converting your RAW files to DNG as part of your initial import workflow to streamline your archiving process and maintain compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.